National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:08 a.m. Central Standard Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 35 nautical miles southwest of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, or 58 nautical miles south of Mary Esther, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following marine location: waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles.